Here are 20 business quotes from Wendy Appelbaum, a South African entrepreneur and philanthropist. Success is not just about financial gain. It's about making a positive impact on the world around you. Trust your instincts. They are often your best guide when making decisions in business. A strong work ethic is the foundation of any successful entrepreneur. Be prepared to put in the hours and effort to achieve your goals. Never be afraid to ask for help. Collaboration and support can lead to incredible achievements. Stay true to your values and beliefs. They will guide you through the ups and downs of entrepreneurship. Don't be afraid to take risks. Stepping outside of your comfort zone can lead to new opportunities and growth. Focus on building a business that aligns with your passion. It's the key to staying motivated and inspired. Learn from your failures and use them as stepping stones to success. Stay curious and never stop learning. Knowledge is a powerful tool in the world of business. Don't be discouraged by obstacles. They are often opportunities in disguise. Stay humble and grateful for your achievements. It keeps you grounded and focused on what truly matters. Embrace diversity and inclusion in your business. It brings fresh perspectives and fosters innovation. Always put your customers first. Their satisfaction is the key to your success. Create a strong company culture that reflects your values and encourages growth and development. Be patient and persistent. Building a successful business takes time and dedication. Give back to your community. Supporting others is a vital part of being a successful entrepreneur. Communication is key. Be open, transparent, and honest with your team and customers. Be adaptable and open to change. The world is constantly evolving, and so should your business. Surround yourself with people who inspire you and share your vision. Their support and guidance will be invaluable. Celebrate your successes, but never become complacent. There is always room for improvement and growth. These quotes from Wendy Appelbaum emphasize the importance of passion, hard work, and perseverance in entrepreneurship. They also highlight the value of learning from failures, embracing diversity and inclusion, and giving back to the community as key components of success in business.